Promotion.
Safety Kids Foundation. Promoting the Safety Kids Foundation. Please invest sa Safety Kids Foundation.
Wait, mamaya.
Podcast.
Please, we have here our guest,
Ang ganda ng
Mr. The one and only Face Shine.
Hi, I am officially joining the Face Clan. I am Face Shan. My first words on this channel is I want to promote the Safety Kids Foundation. I want you to make sure to invest on this, and trust me, it will be worth it. As a Face member,
Parang nagbablog ka, ganyan.
as a Face member, I am officially joining the gaming channel of Face Clan. Gaming channel of Face.
Akin na.
Face Clan, and I will be uploading later, maybe on 5 PM. Stay tuned, and I want you to turn on that notification bell, subscribe, and leave a like.